Right, so this is a little bonus thing I like to knock up. What this is here is my very heavy duty Mercedes battery linked to a charge unit, which above here there is a solar panel. It is currently charging. I'll show you that at the end. But this switch here, I knocked this up. This does this. So I have off-grid LED lighting in my garage, because this garage isn't actually attached to my house in any way, shape or form. It's far, far away. So we have to figure out ways that we can use electricity down here now. Handily, my father gave me this quite some time ago when I had a really, really early 80s Mazda, and it didn't have a proper sound system. So I had a 12 volt sound system instead. And I still have that 12 volt sound system sitting in my unit. So idea really is to just have another 12 volt sound system and charger for phone, battery, laptop, actually for my portable car starter as well. Just a nice 12 volt system, nothing fancy whatsoever, but it should work quite well. In the short term, at this moment in time, I'm not going to clamp these on properly. I'm just going to, I've got these little almost crocodile clips, to be honest with you. I can just connect them that way. That's positive, that's negative, and I've got a little indicator light here that will tell me what voltage is coming out of this. But I've had this fitted in this garage for the last 3 months. It has been brilliant at 4 o'clock in the evening when you really start to not be able to see at all. So let's just see how we go with this. Oh, always positive first. Is that right? Always positive first? Always negative first. Always negative first. Yeah, I think it's always negative first time. Negative first. Can't quite get myself some space here. I'll actually have to just, I'll drop that in there. Okay, as I suspected, it's a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. I'll probably end up just having to undo these Jubilee clips. Right, that's taken on that. Now I need to do is get that one just to connect, and we should have a reasonably happy, well, this is just me testing it out. See what voltage we get off it. Put that there. Yeah, that'll do exactly what we need it to do. Good. Right, okay, so this unit now has light to it, power to it, and I'll just bring you a little bit closer. That's putting out a reasonably healthy 12.1 volts. Or if that changes when you do this. Nah, nothing at all. Oh well, maybe 0.0. Well, straight 12 volt coming out of it isn't bad. Right, so now we have a charge system. And just to prove up here, you hopefully can see it. I can't get up there right now, but it does work. So yeah, charge everything off grid. How to. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. Goodbye.